species with an ecosystem. So this can involve changes in the number of individuals of particular species, the appearance of a new species, or the disappearance of existing ones. So the next slides is all about also consequences of a biodiversity loss. So Charles Darwin and Alfred Russel Wallace is saying that even when the improvement of technology and science at present, we still have a lot to learn about biodiversity, more so about the consequences of a biodiversity loss. So this sentence acknowledged the advancements in technology and science, but it emphasized that our understanding of biodiversity and its loss remains incomplete. So it highlights that despite the foundational work of Darwin and Wallace. So the next is the particular species making up an ecosystem determine its productivity, affect nutrient cycles and soil contents, and influence environmental conditions such as water cycles, weather patterns, climate, and other non-biotic aspects. The next is the loss of biodiversity has many consequences that we understand and many that we do not. This sentence, it means that succinctly summarize the challenge of understanding the full impact of biodiversity loss. So next is, as stated by Tillman, so the Earth will retain its most striking feature, its biodiversity, only if humans have the patience to do so. So this will occur, it seems, only if we realize the extent to which we use biodiversity. So the next slide is all about the health, biology, and biodiversity. Health, biology, and biodiversity are all living things depend on their environment for survival. So this includes air, water, food, and habitat. So this sentence establishes a fundamental ecological principle. So organisms require specific environmental resources to live. So air provides oxygen for respiration. Then water is essential for numerous bodily functions, food, supplies, energy, and nutrients. And habitat provides shelter and protection. So next is, a human evolution benefited from improved access to these basic needs. So it means that the sentence connects the human evolution to environmental factors. As a humans evolved, improvements in access to air, water, food, and also shelter. So through factors like migration, tool use, and social structures. The next is advance in agriculture, sanitation, and hygiene have significantly impacted a human health. So next is environmental hazards like pollution and a poor living condition can increase the risk of illness. So this includes cancer, heart disease, asthma, and more. So the next is unsafe water and sanitation can lead to infection diseases like diarrhea and cholera. So this means that it emphasizes the direct link between inadequate sanitation and the spread of infectious diseases. So it contaminated water and poor sanitation create ideal condition for pathogens to thrive and spread, causing waterborne illness like diarrhea and cholera. So next is biodiversity loss is a serious threat to human health. So the connection between human health and biodiversity is a complex and crucial. So the last slide that I'm going to discuss, it's all about the environment related illness. Some human illnesses that are found to be related to the environment include Parkinson's disease, heart disease, cancer, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, diabetes, obesity, occupational injuries, dysentery, arthritis, malaria, and depression. So the next is, according to experts, climate change could also have a serious impact on human health and could deteriorate the farming system and reduce nutrients in some foods. So it means that the sentence addresses the emerging threat of a climate change to human health. So the next is the relationship between human health and the environment raises many ethical, social, and legal dilemmas by forcing people to choose among competing values. Many of the issues at the intersection of health and the environment have to do with managing benefits and risks. So this means that the sentence highlights the complex ethical, social, and legal challenges presented by the intertwined nature of a human health and the environment. For example, pesticides play an important role in increasing crop yields, but they can also pose hazard to human health and the environment. Alternatives to pesticides could significantly reduce agricultural productivity, leading to food shortage and increased food prices, which would in turn increase starvation in some parts of the world. So this sentence uses pesticides as a case study. So illustrate the complex benefit-risk trade-offs inherent in environmental management. So while pesticides boost crop production and food security, they also pose significant health and environmental risks. Switching to pesticide-free alternatives could result in a lower crop yields, leading to food shortage and higher prices, with potentially severe consequences for food security, especially in vulnerable populations.
Alright, that's the end of our report. Thank you everyone for listening. Mabuhay.